Hello everybody, this is Mark with Pelican Wooden Things. Today's the second part in the sofa side table project, and I will be making the center part, the post, the pillar, I don't know what you call it, choose your own adventure. I have to make some rabbets in the base of it, so the middle section can slide in there. Always do a test block so you can better judge the width of your rabbeting. Little pieces are my test block, and of course, and the large piece is the base of the project. Okay, so it looks like we got it set all right. Maybe a little too tight. Okay, just a tip tap more, and we got it. Yep, you just saw me cut through the corner of my piece. Well, these things happen. Cut it square and move on from there. I'm going to be cutting some support gussets for the side to help with lateral movement. They're going to have their own little mini rabbits. Bunnies. Once again, always cut a test block from your cutoff material. Make sure everything is fitting just right. Cutting into the side of my support pieces so they fit right into those rabbits. Or bunnies. Whatever. Have to cut each side adjacent 90-degree angles so they can fit in the corner and provide that support needed. Okay, having gotten those cut back so they will fit in there, I need to place them on my piece. just kind of making up where they would go. One in the, well, more or less center of that side, and two smaller ones towards the edges of the other side to kind of give a triangulation as far as the support goes. Here I am cutting the adjacent angles. As I said, I'm going to do both sides on a 90-degree angle so they have the support they need. You'll see how it all comes together before too long. You can kind of see the idea right there. There is a rabbit along the base and going up on that center portion. And, well, ain't nothing perfect the first time, so a little adjustment with the chisel just to make sure it fits in there so. Well, since square is just, square, let's put a little curve to it. Just gonna kind of pencil it in. Nothing to work too hard at. So at this point, it's finally taking shape. You can see where those little gussets fit in and how they support the piece. And now it's time for a test fit. That's not right. Well, what's wrong is this is supposed to be a little taller than the arm of the sofa. It's short by 2.5 inches or so. Oh. Looks like I've got to do that whole center pillar post. Choose your own adventure thing again. Doggone it. Well, ain't nothing for it but to do it. Using the old one, I kind of like the shape, and I've already measured out the width and so forth, so I'll just... Luckily, I had a separate piece of wood, enough wood to actually redo this whole center portion. And, yeah, it's more or less just the same as what you've seen before, so I'll let you get to watching me put it all together again. I won't do everything. I'll just kind of rush through it. But again, these things happen. So come along with me next week, and I will show how we put the hinges on and how we get it all put together, moving parts and all. So don't give up now. Come back next week. See you then. Thanks for watching.